In 20 years, you are either free or you are the 45-year-old at the office who still checks his balance before he buys lunch. Which one you turn into is being decided right now, this week, by 5 things you are doing that feel completely normal. Not one of them shows up as a bill. Nothing bounces. Nobody calls. That is exactly why they work. Before you roll your eyes, this has nothing to do with your coffee. Nobody ever got rich skipping a $4 latte, and you know it. 2 warnings. Number 4 is costing a guy your age $770 a month, and he thinks it is normal. And number 5 costs more than the other 4 put together. You are doing it right now while you watch this video. Stay to the end. Every one of these is something you stop. No raise, no side hustle, no extra hour in your day. All 5 are done tonight from your phone in 20 minutes. Number 1. Stop letting your raise land in your checking account. The promotion came through, the number went up, and for 2 weeks it felt incredible. Then it evaporated. Same balance at month end, and you cannot name one thing you bought with it. Your spending swells to fill whatever shows up in that account, every time. So the raise you ground a year for quietly bought a slightly nicer version of the life you already had. Your move, the day the new number hits, before you feel it, route the difference somewhere else automatically. You never miss money you never touched? Number 2, stop parking your money where it melts. Open your banking app. That number feels like the adult thing to do. Right now, the national average savings account in America pays 0.38%. Inflation is running at 3.5%. So your money shrinks by about 3% a year in what it can buy, and the figure on the screen never drops, so you never feel it. $10,000 sitting there loses around $300 of buying power a year. Online accounts with the same federal insurance pay up to about 4.5%. Your move. Move it tonight, the best paid 15 minutes of your year. Number 3, stop turning down a 50% return. Most American companies match what you put into your 401k. The most common formula is 50 cents for every dollar you contribute on the first 6% of your pay. A 50% return on day 1, the only guaranteed 50% anyone will ever offer you. And if you are still on the 3% from your enrollment screen at 23, you are handing a raise back every payday. Your move. Log in and push your contribution to 6%. Number 4. Stop buying things that only pay you while somebody is watching. The average new car payment in America just hit an all-time high of $770 a month on a loan running 69.5 months. Almost 6 years of your 20s promised to a machine that loses value on the drive home from the lot. Put that same payment into a broad index fund for those 6 years at a conservative 8%, and you are holding about $68,000. Never add another dollar, and by 65 it grows to near $900,000. That is the price tag on the car. $900,000 traded for the look on a stranger's face at a red light. Number 5. Stop telling yourself you will start when you earn more. Here it is, the one that costs more than the other 4 combined. And it sounds so reasonable. I will start when I hit 6 figures, when this card is paid off, when things calm down. Things never calm down. You will earn more and find a better reason to wait. You are in your 20s, holding the one asset a 40-year-old on triple. Your salary cannot buy back at any price, and you spend it like it costs nothing. Every year you sit out deletes a year from the far end of the run, where the money moves fastest. Your move. $50 this week. The start date is the whole game. Every one of these is a leak you are funding out of a paycheck you already worked for. Most guys your age will spend 10 years trying to fix their money by adding more hours, more hustle, more income, poured into a bucket with 5 holes in the bottom. The ones who get out plug the holes on one boring Tuesday night. Tonight is your Tuesday. Pick one. Do it before you sleep. If this landed somewhere it was not supposed to, subscribe. We turn the way money actually works into something you can see. See you in the next one.